Make sure to stay until the end. People make a common mistake when replacing coolant temperature sensor that can cost you thousands of dollars and completely destroy the engine. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500, and if you need to find where the coolant temperature sensor is located because you need to replace it, stay with us, we'll explain that today. And common mistake people make that can destroy your engine. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, coolant temperature sensor, antifreeze coolant for a good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So we'll be demonstrating on a Fiat 500 Abarth. Now, even if you have a different Fiat 500, procedure will be about the same. This is guys the air filter box removed. Okay, you don't need to remove it for the coolant temperature sensor. The only thing that you will need to practically remove it will be the battery mount or the battery tray. It is that device right here. Okay, that's where the battery stays in. So we have a step-by-step video how to remove the battery mount, okay, on Fiat 500. Once you do that guys, okay, you come right here to the side. Check this thing out. This right here now is your actually thermostat housing. This is your thermostat housing. You have multiple hoses, 1, 2, 3 hoses going to it. And if you look right here on the thermostat housing on this side, this is your coolant temperature sensor. Let's now talk in a little bit about common mistake people make. Now we will have a special video that will explain how to test coolant temperature sensor, okay, on Fiat. So check it out, it will teach you how to do that. It's pretty easy guys. Now you can go ahead, okay, disconnect it, but when you replace that sensor you need to drain the coolant on your Fiat 500, so coolant will not come out. And when you drain the coolant, okay, you can replace the coolant temperature sensor. You just get a socket that fits that size. Once you disconnect the thing and take it off with a deep socket and install the new one. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy one from for a really good price. Once you do that guys, okay, most people make a common mistake where they just add coolant and start driving. You should not do that. When you do that, you may end up having an air pocket inside the engine, which can prevent coolant to flow between the engine and the radiator, and that can cause engine overheating. So what you will need to do, okay, once you replace the coolant temperature sensor, you need to bleed the cooling system. We will have a special video that will explain how to bleed cooling system on Fiat 500 guys. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that step by step, because if you don't do it, you can destroy your engine in no time. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.